How to install Redshift with your Cinema 4D. So if you want to do this, you're going to start by downloading the Redshift installer from either the Redshift website or your official Maxon. So you can do it in the app itself. So go to your Maxon app and go to your products, and then you're going to have to go search for it yourself, or you can find it here in the subscribe now. Usually Redshift should just appear as one of the first options, and then you're just gonna press uninstall. If you'd like, you can choose a version and the one that is more compatible with your Cinema 4D release. So you gotta take a look at your Cinema 4D version first and see if it's compatible with whichever Redshift version you're going to download. But once you have chosen, just go ahead and press on install. We're going to go ahead and explain since we don't really have the subscription for either, but once that's all done, you can run the installer and then follow the prompts. Redshift will automatically detect your Cinema 4D installation and configure the necessary plugin files in the correct folder. After that, you can open your Cinema 4D, go to Edit, Preferences, and then Renderer, and into your Redshift to verify that the plugin is recognized. You may need to enter your Redshift license key, so you're gonna have to get that first or log in with your Maxon account to activate it. And then once activated, you can set Redshift as your active renderer in your render settings, renderer, Redshift, and start using it for GPU rendering. It's of course recommended to update your GPU drivers to the latest version to ensure the performance with your Redshift goes somewhat better or more efficiently. But that is the process on how you can use your Cinema 4D with your Redshift. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.